Morning all, here we are again. It's February morning, it's freezing cold, it's just before 7 o'clock. We're going to go up the hill and see if we can catch this sunrise. It's about -9 degrees I think they said with a wind chill, so my hand's freezing just holding the camera like this. So let's get up there and see what we can see. Well, a bit out of breath, made it up here. You see a bit of industrial Sheffield in the background there, over the Sheffield Arena. Tinsley Park golf course behind us there. There's that. That's what I've come to see. I think we caught it, and isn't it just amazing now? The right kind of colours, a nice sunrise, even over a really industrial area. Right, I think we'll carry on now, go down Tinsley Canal, see what's happening down there. Let's go and have a look. I just thought I'd point it out because I keep talking about the airport, so for anybody that isn't local, probably just make out down here that is obviously the old runway. A lot of it's been built on now. Sheffield University, got an advanced manufacturing research centre, big steel plant there, various industrial units. So yeah, it's been a few years since it last saw an aeroplane, but that's why we still call it the airport. Right, time to head back I think. Get a nice warm hot coffee on the go. Crank the heating up and thaw out a bit. I hope it's been worth the look. Thanks for joining me. If you have enjoyed it, try the old thumbs up button somewhere. And if you want to see a few more videos like this, but yeah, look for that subscribe button, give that a press, and hopefully you'll see the next one. Thanks for joining me, I'll see you next time.